Yay! Bitti. Hello guys, merhaba.
Herkese merhaba. Hi guys. Today we are in our studio, home studio, and we are taking our course videos, and we want to take a vlog video for you. So let's see.
Yeah, you will see the behind the scenes and how we shoot the videos.
How we struggle.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So this is basically our home studio. Okay, Funda, show us the studio.
Okay, this is the huge lamp that is like our love because it's perfect, and here is the font that is like a wall behind us, but it's actually like a paper. So this is my best friend nowadays because I need it literally to take a video or I melt. And we have our computer here. Whenever we take a video, Can needs to check it because sometimes it fails and we need to take it again.
Yes.
And yeah, here we have our couch, and so romantic for friends, and we just like sit down and we talk. So here it is our studio, and we eat a lot. Can always prepares something for me and for everyone for Turkishle team.
This is our kitchen.
So it's the kitchen of Turkishle. Gerçekten abilmek konusu bu kadar uzun mu? Bu kadar uzun olduğunu düşünememiştim yani. Çok uzun. We have done a lot of PDFs for you, and also Can and Aslı teacher took a lot of like daily conversation videos. Really good, guys. Don't forget to watch it in the course.
Yep, now we're gonna start shooting. So I'm preparing the equipments. This is our light. Let's open it. It's cool. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's start. So we're starting our first video, which is abilities and possibilities.
Yeterlilik fiili in Turkish. Abilmek.
Yeah.
Right?
Let's see.
A long video.
Yeah. We'll do it. Let's start.
Yes, we're gonna do it. Let's start. Whenever you want to express that you're able to do an action or something physically or mentally, or we can also say with other words like being able to succeed in something. Let's give an example. And abil starts with a vowel, oku abil. It doesn't sound good, right? In that case, we need to buffer y to separate the suffix abil and the verb, which is definite past tense, and the form of geniş zaman here, and you can change according to the tense, according to your conversation, of course. So let's see the next function.
Next function. Next function is
absent-minded. Can needs to repeat.
prediction. Prediction, tahmin. Funda akşam oyun oynayabilir. Can belki araba alabilir. Bugün belki dans ederler. Aylin bu yaz Antalya'ya gidebilir.
Prediction, Can belki araba alabilir.
Tamam.
Ama Aslı'yı da değiştirdim, hepsini kullandım.
Tamam.
1, 2, 3. Prediction. In Turkish, tahmin, right? So let's say, Can belki araba. Now, unfortunately, I'm alone in Turkishle studio because our batteries decided to not to work, and Can had to go to the supermarket. So I'm alone with my best friend here, and it's super hot, guys, really. You might be thinking like, why do you even wear this? It's because of the course. So we are also waiting for transferring the videos from the camera, and then we are going to take a really good video with Can. It's so entertaining about Turkish accents. It's really good. Hope you like that video. So let's talk a bit Turkish and practice meanwhile. Nasılsınız? İyi misiniz? Bugün hava gerçekten çok sıcak ve bununla birlikte yaşıyoruz ama çok güzel. Zaten sabahtan beri diyorum yani. Ve İstanbul'da son bir 10-12 günüm falan. O yüzden biraz üzgünüm. Çünkü bütün arkadaşlarım, herkes burada. Ve ben İspanya'da yaşıyorum. İspanya taşındım. Tabii ki orada yaşamaktan da mutluyum. Orayı da çok seviyorum. O yüzden bir orada bir buradayım. Yani bir Malaga'da ve İstanbul'dayım. Ve artık yakında siz nasıl Türkçe öğreniyorsanız benim de İspanyolcamı geliştirmem lazım. Çünkü gerçekten anlaşmak çok zor. Anlıyorsun ama cevap veremiyorsun ve Endülüs aksanı gerçekten çok farklıymış. Yani onu anladım. So Can has turned back and he bought the batteries finally, and now he's making the camera. How is it going, Can? Nasıl
Doing
gidiyor?
well. Now I'm gonna turn on the lights and then we're gonna start shooting.
Perfect.
Everything's going well.
And I think we should speak Turkish, right? That we do.
Evet.
Evet, Türkçe konuşmalıyız.
Evet. Evde çok ses var çünkü benim oturduğum sitede bir sürü çocuk var ve hepsi bağırıyor. Sürekli oyun oynuyorlar aşağıda.
Evet, bayağı bağırıyorlar ama hani öyle böyle değil.
Dikkatimizi dağıtıyorlar, kötü oluyor. O yüzden camı kapatıyoruz.
Evet, camı kapatıyoruz ve burada pişiyoruz.
Evet, o kötü.
Hamam gibi ama tabii ki bu var. O yüzden çok mutluyuz. Ve Can da böyle en son dokunuşları yapıyor burada ki güzel bir şekilde video çekelim. Hatta size komik bir şey göstereceğim. Burada bizim bir terliğimiz var ve bantla birlikte. O ne işe yarıyor Can? Söyleyebilir misin?
Bu aslında bizim Funda'nın nerede durması gerektiğini gösteren bir bant. Normalde Funda derse burada başlıyor, kameranın sağ tarafında. Ama dersin ortasına doğru, ortaya doğru gidiyor.
Ya da öne falan.
Öne doğru gidiyor. Onu engellemek için buraya bir engel gibi koyduk.
Evet, ilk bant koyduk, işe yaramadı. Sonra ben hissedeyim diye terliği koyduk.
Evet, şu an terlikle.
Aynen.
Terliği şöyle ayağının yanına koyuyoruz. O
Terliğimiz
tarafa
de
gitmiyor, böyle
müthiş.
kalıyor.
Çok mantıklı.
Evet.
Çok güzel. Evet, o zaman başlayalım.
Tamam,
Başlayalım. This is literally the last video of A2 course.
Yeah, we're so excited. Now I open my soda.
With soda.
Yeah, let's see. Then we're gonna go. We're gonna have a break.
Exactly, and you're gonna come with us.
Yeah, we'll show you where we go and what we have. Let's
Yes,
see.
even the menu. So
Yeah.
see you in the cafe where we
Bye
go.
bye. See you.
Görüşürüz. Sentence. If I want to say you were a doctor, like you were a doctor or she was a teacher, it should be different somehow. So if I say Can doktormuş, it means I heard it from someone that Can is a doctor or Can was a doctor. I don't only mean that Can was a doctor and no more a doctor. I can also mean like more Can may be still a doctor. We don't know whether Can is still a doctor, and we don't care about that part, and we just care about we have reached at the end of our lesson, and I can't wait to see you in the next lesson. Görüşürüz.
Yay! Bitti.
A2 course has finished. A2 kursu bitti, değil mi?
Bravo, evet.
Benim için bitti.
Süper.
Süper.
Çok sıcak. It's so hot. Let's turn off the things. Now we're gonna go to a cafe or something just to get some rest. I mean, I've been sitting there for the whole time. She has been teaching. She's been doing the lessons. But so hot outside. Look at it. And the house has huge windows, so it's really hard for us to stay here. So we'll just go out.
If you want a sunbath, you can come and open all the curtains here and just
Yeah.
see you in the cafe, guys.
Aynen. Bu mesela şeyden bahsedebiliriz mesela.
You can show something, guys. When you come to Turkey, you are going to see something definitely. Show it. The flag, Turkish flag with Atatürk.
It's
Definitely.
everywhere.
It's everywhere, literally everywhere.
So let's talk about the rent prices.
Exactly. So where do you live, Can? Which part?
I live in 𝗃𝗵𝗃𝗍. It's in Anatolian side. It is very far from the centers like Kadıköy, Taksim. So not many tourists come here. And this is a compound. As you can see, it's a beautiful compound.
And it has a
Security and everything. Everything you can like need here. The
Yes.
gym, pool, everything is here.
Yeah, it's so good and it's a central location, but for this part, of course, it's like about the like it's not that close to Beşiktaş or Üsküdar, but we have metro and everywhere in Istanbul at least 1 hour more or less.
Yeah,
Actually
exactly.
more in general. Guys, wait, look at the newspapers. Like here we have some newspapers and that we Turkey you read them, and we have the supermarket which is we use a lot Migros, and it's really good and includes everything. You can find everything.
It's great. And this is the area. This area is called 𝗃𝗵𝗃𝗶𝗀𝗃, and it really has everything that you need. Gratis, the banks, markets.
Guys, look, they want their flag to look good, and they put some like the
Oh, it's a bottle.
yeah, bottles tied up to the flag. It's so funny.
So guys, we are in front of a charcuterie, let's say, I don't know the English name, but they sell cheeses, you know, different kind of cheeses, butter, egg, you know, the ingredients that you need to cook food at home. And these are usually cheaper than like supermarkets. So Turkish people come here and buy with cheaper prices.
Oh, great. And this is so typical sausages in Turkey, and it's called sucuk. And we love it a lot, and we eat in the breakfast, right?
Evet.
Güzel. Tell me you're in Turkey without saying me you're in Turkey. Like in the street like that, they have the car and they sell the fruits like that. It's amazing. Hoş geldiniz is welcome, but of course we have a spelling mistake. It should be separate.
Bravo.
Hoş geldiniz.
Turkish teacher everywhere.
Alright, so we have the menu here, and you can see toast is toast, tostlar is plural, and we have more sandwiches, sandwichler, and menemen. You should try in Turkey, guys, and you can see the prices here like that. So Can, aç mısın?
Evet, çok açım.
Aha.
Bir şey yemek istiyorum ama daha karar veremedim. Bir sürü şey var.
Bir sürü şey var, evet. Ben aç değilim. O yüzden ben içecek bir şey alacağım.
Tamam.
Something to drink. So, pizzalar, makarnacılar, actually makarnalar, but makarnacılar makes it like cute, let's say. So, let's see in Turkish how to order something.
Sen ne istiyordun?
Ben kafe coconut mocha.
Bir tane mantı, bir tane de kafe kokonat mocha alabilir miyiz?
Teşekkürler.
That's it, guys. It's so easy to order food in Turkey.
Exactly.
Just say the name and alabilir miyiz? That's it.
And it's in our A2 course, we explain the subject. Alabilir miyiz? Can we take, like, could we take, maybe take, we can say.
For example, I said, bir mantı, bir kafe mocha alabilir miyiz?
Evet.
But I didn't say like beer, because we usually say bir, we drop the re at the end. It's like more, let's say, natural to say that.
Exactly.
So, bir mantı, bir kafe mocha alabilir miyiz?
Evet. If you especially want to indicate the amount, you can say bir tane kafe mocha. You can use like that too.
Evet.
So,
Any
evet.
lesson for you?
kanoya gideceğiz ve kano için haftaya çarşamba günü randevu aldık ve gerçekten kanoyu öneriyorum. Önereceğim ama birlikte bir gidelim, ondan sonra önerebiliriz belki.
Evet, belki o gün de
Evet.
vlog gibi bir şey yaparız.
Vlog yapabilirsek çok güzel olur çünkü kanoyu tam Boğaz Köprüsü'nün orada yapacağız ve çok harika bir manzarası var arkadaşlar. Mükemmel guys, like the canoeing and the Bosphorus is like amazing. I'm so excited for that and Can needs to pay for it, so let's see.
Biraz beni bakımda var. Bir de tefanmaz var.
Efendim?
Biraz beni var.
Biraz beni. Ha.
O zaman ice latte alırım ben.
Ice latte.
Karamel var mı? Karamelli ice latte gibi bir şey.
Öyle yok.
Tamam,
Ama
olsun.
isterseniz karamel şurubu koydurabilirim.
Olur, tamam. Teşekkürler. Ne yiyorsun Can? What are you eating?
So guys, it's called mantı.
Mantı.
You can think mantı as kind of like a what was the Chinese
Pasta.
thing?
Dumpling.
Dumpling. Like you can think it as a small dumplings.
Yes.
This is a traditional food that you can find almost everywhere. And it's so delicious. It has minced meat inside of the dough. And after they cook it, they make yogurt sauce and they add tomato sauce on top of it.
Exactly.
So it's so
With
delicious.
the oil. It's so good. Take a bite. Yes. Çok güzel. I'll take it to Spain when I go. I told my mom. Anneme söyledim. Alacağım.
So delicious. Mantı yemek kek.
Mantı yemek kek. Ben de kahve aldım. Sanırım 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗶𝗀𝗶 tam hatırlamıyorum. Ve karamel şurubu var. And it's good because in some places they put too much sugar, şeker, çok şeker koyuyorlar. But this one is really good.
Afiyet olsun.
Afiyet olsun. Did we mention that like we say afiyet olsun before we eat? When we start eating we can say hadi afiyet olsun. And when I see Can I can say afiyet olsun or I can say so delicious, afiyet olsun, çok lezzetli, afiyet olsun I can say after. And when we finished we can say like if you see someone still eating we need to say afiyet olsun when you leave from the table, basically every time. We finally finished the cruise, guys. Just all of the videos and we are so happy, but let's see the time.
It's 9:46 and we have been working since 12.
Yeah, literally, we are
Yeah.
dying. But we are so happy still and energetic because we prepared these videos for you. So I hope you're gonna like the course, that we tried everything the best for you.
Yeah, guys, this is gonna be the best course that we have ever made, and we're so excited to launch it. It will probably be launched in August, and we'll definitely let you know when
You
we're
deserve
launching.
the best.
Yeah.
So we try to do it. Now I'm going home and I lay down and sleep probably, and Can is going to...
Yeah, I'm going to Üsküdar now to meet my friends because after a long day of work, we both need some rest. And
Exactly.
I'll go Üsküdar, have maybe some Turkish coffee or something, and then come back home.
Yeah.
So today, this is the end of the vlog. If you guys like the vlog, please let us know in the comments so we can make more of these videos. And
Exactly.
until next video, take care guys. Görüşürüz.
Take care. Kendinize iyi bakın. Görüşürüz.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.